Introducing the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Call today to schedule a test drive.